Did you know that in the United States, 119 billion pounds of food is wasted yearly? Nearly 40% of all food in America is wasted. Because of the pandemic, SCH's dedication to sustainability was interrupted. After talking to Chef Bud, the director of food services at SCH, we learned that the estimate amount of food waste in the high school kitchen is 40 quarts a day. As food is dumped into landfills, methane is released into the environment, causing many dangerous health problems and accelerating climate change. Hi, I'm Aurie Brown.
And I'm Mackenzie Hines, and our project is Students for Sustainability. We're 10th grade Capstone students at SCH Academy in Philadelphia. We asked ourselves the question, how might we use creative methods to cut down on environmental waste at SCH? In communities I was formerly a part of, recycling was a great way that brought us all together. We had many educational field trips about the importance of keeping our environment and planet clean. We also had a greenhouse in which many students, including myself, were active and invested. There were many opportunities at my old school where we learned about sustainability.
I've been at SCH my whole life. We used to be really into sustainability, but after the pandemic, our efforts fell off and our focus shifted elsewhere. We had gardens where we grew our own food, chickens that hatched our eggs, and we planted flowers and plants in our environment. Everyone was so involved, but I started noticing changes in the community. We somehow regressed with our education of sustainability, which is so disappointing to see.
We began by researching and studying food waste reduction programs in other schools and districts in our area. We used inspiration from those schools and determined what SCH lacked.
We've also spoken to various people, ranging from school administrators and experienced faculty to PhD students, in hopes to get guidance and structure for our project. We compiled all of our notes onto a Google Doc to keep track of what we learned from our interviews. Composting is happening in the kitchens, but not in post-consumer spaces. We've learned that the structures are already in place, but we need to create systems where we can effectively use them.
Our solution is to reintroduce sustainability and composting back into our cafeterias and school community. Doing this will strengthen and protect the environment and rebuild our community's awareness and emphasis on sustainability as a lifelong practice.
We were introduced to a grant opportunity called Healing the Planet Grant Program, which is funded by the Giant Company. We work closely with Ms. Norton, the Associate Director of Development. Our use for the grant is to address food waste prevention, reduction, and recovery. We applied for $5,000 to ensure the start of composting in the lower school. Although we won't get the results back until June, we plan to try to implement composting regardless.
We used this semester to plan and research, but beginning next school year, we will officially reintroduce composting practices starting in lower school. As we said before, regardless of the grant's outcome, we will partner with people from across the community to ensure that this happens. We will build our way up to the middle school in the 2024-25 school year and upper school in the 2025-26 school year. Although we will be graduated in the class of 2025, we plan to find people to pass this down to through groups like our Vibrant Eco Club, who are just as passionate as we are on the subject of sustainability. We hope to educate people within and beyond our community on better ways to reduce waste.